Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you need.
Hey guys, welcome to GizDev and my name is Abhishek, and today we'll see about the must-have LG G8X apps. If you have the LG G8X device, these apps are must for your device. So there are 4 apps I am going to tell you today. So 2 of them are LG exclusive apps and 2 of them are working for any Android devices like launchers and etc. But the 2 apps are exclusive to this device. One of them is a dual launch app. You can launch different apps while using the dual screen, and one of my favorite is the wide mode app. So after installing the wide mode, you can use the wide mode on any Android app, like just by enabling it from the notifications panel. So if you have used the LG G8X device for as a dual screen device, so you would have known that wide mode can be enabled on YouTube app and any one other app, I think. So by using the wide mode app enabler, you can enable the wide mode app on Instagram and all of that. So you just need to click on the notifications panel and tap on the wide mode. It's that simple. If you have this device, stay tuned to this video and hit subscribe and tell me in the comments how you like this video. So guys, the first app in the list is the dual apps. So let me check it. The app supports all the LG phones who have dual screen. It's a free app available on the Play Store. So you can just download and install it on your LG dual screen device. So as you know, LG has already the feature that you can use different apps on both screens. But what is this app does? It will launch a pair of apps with a single tap. You can customize which apps you want to launch and simultaneously on the both screens. So but with this one, you just tap one time and both the apps will be launched on the respective screens. So as you can, I will show you now. So I have put this link in the description below. You can just check it out. I have written the whole article on it. So you just need to scroll down. And here is the Play Store link. Let me find it. Yes, here it is. So I have already installed it, so I'll just open it and it will retrieve the installed packages. So this is how it shows. Click plus to add a dual launch, click an item to launch, swipe left to delete an item. As you can see, there is an add button. If you can click on this add button, and here you can see the left app and right app. So I'll just click on the left app and click on the app I want to open it. So I'll just click on YouTube, and on the right I'll just click on let me just Amazon. So I click on OK. That's it. So if you can see, the both apps are opened on different screens. So this shortcut is created now, and if I tap on this shortcut, so both the apps will be opened on the respective screens. On the right there is Amazon and on the left there is a YouTube. So you can customize your shortcuts like this. So let me just add the second one. I'll just open Amazon on the left, and on the right let me open the CPU Z application. So I'll click on OK and just click on the shortcut button. So as you can see, with the one tap you can enable both the apps on the different screens. So moving towards the second app, this is a wide mode for LG. If you have used the dual screen LG phone, you may have known about its wide mode. This one is the must app for LG G8X device. So I'll just download it from the Play Store, and that's you have to install it. So I have already installed it. So after downloading, just go to the notifications panel, scroll down and click on the edit icon, that is pen icon. So after editing this icon, you can find here the wide mode option. So just drag it like this and here. So I have already added the wide mode option. So just now I'll just close it, and now all you have to do is just open any app. Like I open Instagram now. So I want to open this app on the both screens. So I'll just scroll down and tap on the wide mode. So that's it. This is how you can use the wide mode on the any app. Like I'll try another one app, and if you just screenshot this, the whole screen will be captured like a wide mode. So I'll just open another app. Now let's try on the Facebook. I don't know if it works or not, so let's just try. So it works. So that's it, how you can use this Facebook on your LG G8X device in a wide mode. You can try with any other apps. You can enjoy the widescreen mode beautifully in your LG G8X device. So that's it for today guys. If you find these apps useful, so give a like and hit subscribe button. And the other two apps are that not much promising, but you can look up to that. I provided the link in the description below. You can check this out, that Microsoft Launcher and Floating Bar. Microsoft Launcher is using because it can be used as a landscape mode like this, but I don't think it will work on on the dual screen itself. So just I'll stick to the wide mode itself. Talking about the floating bar, it provides only the icons like quick launch icons on the home screen. So just tap it and the icons will launch itself. If you are using the dual screen and if you find it hard to navigate through the screen, you can use this floating bar. It's not LG exclusive, so that's why I'm not including in this video. So you don't have to waste your time. So that's it for today guys. See you in my next video.